The process starts with the stamping phase. The stamping plant provides the sheet metal parts for the bodywork. The manufacturing process begins with extremely heavy rolls of steel and aluminum sheet, the so-called coils. In the coil systems, the bands are initially cut to form boards, and then pulled with the most modern, fully automated high-speed servo presses, in several steps, bent and punched. This results in molded parts such as side frames, doors, hoods and roofs. The Volkswagen Group uses a function-oriented mix of proven, deep-drawing steels, and high and higher strength materials. The technology used in the Volkswagen Group is one of the most advanced worldwide. The available total press capacity of a plant is up to 10,000 tons. Another phase of a car production is the body shop. Body shop means the precise assembly of several hundred individual parts, made of steel and aluminum of different sizes and thickness, to a precision body. Depending on the vehicle requirement, besides steel and aluminum, also carbon and fiber composites are installed. Most modern robots perform a complex work, with maximum precision, from welding and joining techniques, such as spot welding, soldering, screwing and gluing, to the new laser welding millimeter accuracy bodies. The robots perform these serious and complex work with maximum precision, while highly qualified employees control the machine and weight. With a degree of automation of up to 95% of the so-called spot welding, the car is mainly made by robots. Painting, hardly a detail of an automobile, acts so strongly on the senses, like the color of the paint. At the same time it serves to protect and preserve the value of the automobile. But the bodies are first cleaned in plunge pools and degreased, then coated with a zinc phosphate layer. This forms the basis for lasting corrosion protection. Then 4 more coats of paint protect the vehicle against environmental influences, and give a durable color gloss. After each production step, the quality is checked in the paint. Laboratory specialists examine, for example, by environmental simulation, the color fastness of all coatings and resistance to environmental influences. The Volkswagen Light Alloy Foundry is one of the most modern foundries in the world. Here is produced cast components made of aluminum and magnesium. The production scope includes engine components, such as cylinder heads or crankcases, but also body structural parts and chassis components, such as suspension strut supports, tailgate frames, or casting nodes for the front and rear axle. For the series production of cast components, 5 different casting processes are used. Depending on the component concept, the technological requirements and the production volume, the most appropriate casting method is selected. In addition, thanks to innovative manufacturing technology, emissions from combustion residues can be reduced by 98% and at the same time increasing efficiency. Final assembly. Experienced and well-trained staff complete the painted bodies. In the course of individual production, can be realized even unusual customer requests. Various equipment, attachments, country versions and more, lead to the distinctive customized product. Due to this limitless possibilities, it almost never happens that 2 identical vehicles are coming consecutively on the assembly line. Within the final assembly, the highlight of the entire production takes place, the so-called wedding. The drive unit of the engine, transmission, axles and exhaust system meets precisely to the corresponding body and is screwed. Now the vehicle is stationary on its own wheels. Last parts are mounted and the engine is started for the first time. After numerous tests, the new vehicle rolls off the line.